Hey everyone, welcome to this edition of Hurricane Review. You're getting a twofer for sure, so just give me one moment. Well, will only be a moment for me. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just pulling up the Carolina Hurricanes on Cap Friendly and taking a look at the roster here. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about armchair GMs here, but anyway, so the reason I'm pulling up Cap Friendly is I wanted to, yeah, I'm just not going to worry about it here. But I just wanted to talk about Cap Friendly is not helpful on the phone, so we just won't worry about it. Carolina extends, or not extends, signs Tony DeAngelo to a $1.6 million contract. I'll see how many years it is. Cap Friendly is a godly website. Unfortunately, I am not able to navigate it right now. But they sign him for 1.6 mil. A bit of a controversial signing. I know a lot of people don't like Tony DeAngelo for just X, Y, and Z reasons off the ice. That's not always. There is an exception with the Chicago Blackhawks. A lot of those all-time players I can't look at the same way. But with Tony DeAngelo, it is 1 year. 1 year, $1.6 million. Sorry about that, everyone. But nonetheless, Carolina, 1 year, $1.6 million. Very similar to the 1 year, 1 mil contract they gave him last year. And I've talked a little bit about it. I talked about it on Corky's Corner. Go watch that for more details. But basically, all it shows is Carolina has probably not getting Erik Karlsson. If they do get Erik Karlsson, I imagine Shea and Pesce have to go. I don't think they're going to give up both. So, with that being said, Carolina, they pick up Tony DeAngelo. It's a fine signing. I don't think Carolina is expecting Tony DeAngelo to be a top two defenseman. Brent Burns is a lot better than Tony DeAngelo in my eyes, having watched a lot of them play hockey, and then both have spent a year playing with my favorite player, Jacob Slavin, on the D pair. I don't expect him to be secondary pair. You have either Brady Shea or Brett Pesce with Dmitry Orlov. So I think he plays with Jalen Chatfield, and it's honestly fine by me, or he's depth. And honestly, for me, there's not a huge reason to be passionate, really speculate on this contract because they're depth. With depth, it's like if they work out. With contracts like this, same thing with Brendan Lemieux. If they work out, great. If they don't, there's really no failure to it at all. I think, and then another smart thing is if Tony DeAngelo does have another good season with Carolina, I do expect he will. Carolina has all the negotiating power. They like having the negotiating power, as we've come to learn with the Brett Pesce situation. So yeah, Tony DeAngelo, official, and they can just say, hey, you only work out over here. Take this money, take it or leave it. Just all around smart move from that standpoint. I don't think Tony DeAngelo is really worth getting. I don't think the issue is the quarterback power play. I think Carolina should just switch up the power play system. So I don't think he really fixes that issue. Will he get us some extra points? Probably. Will he be a bit of a liability on defense? Yes, but Jalen Chatfield is a very good defensive defenseman. So we'll see how he does. Anyway, that's it for this one. Just kind of a quick one. If you guys like the content I'm producing on the channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys again soon.